Super BEIGHT LIGHT. High-quality LED chips emit bright white light to dispel darkness and make your trip safer. Excellent visual effect. Perfect combination, spot beam for long-distance illumination, flood beam for broad view area. Effective protection. With IP67 waterproof rate, the lights can effectively resist water and dust, avoiding moisture and condensation. Superior quality wires. Good electrical conductivity, high temperature and melting resistant, outstanding bending performance. Package include 1 PC 120W combo LED light bar, 1 PC wiring harness and mounting brackets. Specification. LED power, 120W, 40x3W high-intensity LED, beam pattern, spot flood combo beam input voltage, 9 to 30 volts DC, fits 12 volts, 24 volts vehicles, working lifespan. Over 30,000 hours working temperature. -40 to 85 degrees Celsius LED color temperature. Pure white 6000K 6500K material. 6063 aluminum profile, high-quality LED chips, PC lens waterproof rate, IP67, waterproof, dustproof, quakeproof and anti-corrosive. Certifications. CE, FCC and RoHS wiring harness kit 2 leads. 10 feet wiring harness, 2 sets of power connectors to light fixtures maximum wattage, 180W, max ampere, 15A, operating voltage, 12 volts DC power applications, off-road lighting, Jeeps, 4x4, cars, ATV, UTV, SUV, truck, trailer, forklift, trains, boat, bus, outdoor lighting, etc. Other lighting. Excavator, dozer, road roller, crane, tractor, harvester, grain drill, mower, snowplow, fire engine, rescue vehicle, camping, mining lighting, construction lighting, etc. Household lighting. Garden, backyard, garage, indoor lighting. Note. Use a voltage transformer, converter to convert the AC 110 to 120 volts to District of Columbia 12V for indoor use. Universal fitment. The wiring harness is a good accessory for off-road vehicles, working vehicles, automobiles and boat that use a 12 volts DC power source. Top reviews from the United States. Love this light bar. I was to say I was pretty impressed with the light bar. Very easy to install on the bumper side. Brightness is amazing. I did add some ceiling around where people say water is easy to get in just in case. But happy with purchase.